This tutorial shares best practices to maximize the impact of videos you use in online courses and communities. You'll see how to reach more people and expand their learning, and I'll be using the Mighty Networks platform to demonstrate. I'm Marcia Chadley, here to help you be successful with your Mighty Network. Video is a rich and engaging medium. It's even more powerful when you support people with their different learning styles, their different preferences, and their different abilities. Let's look at some of the simple things that you can do to reach more people with your video. The first simple thing to do when you share a video is to make sure captions are available. Captions help people, not only the people that can't hear, but also people who don't want to have their audio on, people whose first language isn't the language you're speaking in the video, all kinds of other reasons that people want to be able to have captions on with their video. You can add these captions really simply. I'll talk more about how to do that later in this video. Making sure your videos have captions is a great starting point. Now let's take a look at some things that you can do to take things a step further and maximize the reach of your videos even more. The next step to getting more people to watch your video is to add some text. Tell people a little bit about what they'll learn when they watch the video, so they want to click and take that extra step to watch it. Give them a transcript that they can download so that they can read the words if that's the way they like to learn. And you can also use hashtags. If you use hashtags and use some good words in your description of the video, people will be able to search in your Mighty Network later and find this same content. You can go even further. You can maximize the impact of your videos even more. You've got the same text we showed before, your video that they're going to watch, the video transcript. You can add in an audio version from SoundCloud that can be played right here within the Mighty Network. And you can also help people who like to interact with content through an infographic by adding in an infographic. So these are all different ways that you can reach more people with the same content and meet them where they are, how they like to bring in content and learn. Let's talk about captions and transcripts and some of your options for sharing videos inside a Mighty Network. You have the choice of uploading a video directly into a Mighty Network. When you do that, the platform adds captions to it for you. You also have the ability to store the video somewhere else and embed it. The videos we've been looking at were stored in Vimeo and embedded, and this particular video is stored on YouTube and embedded from there. Both Vimeo and YouTube add captions automatically, or you can bring in your own captions or edit the captions they add. You can also download transcripts from YouTube or Vimeo. In the Mighty Network platform, when you're looking in the browser, videos embedded from YouTube don't have the caption control. I add a line underneath the video with a link back to the video in YouTube so that they can see captions. There are different tools that you can use to create captions if you don't like the ones that are automatically generated for you, and to be able to generate transcripts. Two that I use are rev.com. I use this one to create human-generated transcripts for my YouTube, and otter.ai, which is what I use to make AI-generated transcripts for longer videos, especially Zoom recordings. Don't think that you have to do everything possible to share your videos. Start simply. I strongly encourage you to at least have captions and expand from there. You don't have to do all the bells and whistles at once. If you have more questions about sharing video in your Mighty Network or using the platform, be sure to subscribe to this channel and watch the other videos. Check out the links in the description to this video for the one to explore my free Mighty Network set up to model best practices for hosts. And I enjoy working privately and in small groups to help Mighty Network hosts learn how to tailor the platform to fit their specific situation.